Have you been trying to work out what the best wireless earbuds are in the market right now? There's hundreds of them. But with a little bit of a slight deception that I've had lately, I've done the hard work for you and I've found what I think are the best ones right now in Australia in 2019. Let's see what they are right now. G'day everyone, Simon from SPP Productivity, where we bring you simple tips and tricks to help you become more organized at home, work or school and to make your life easier with very simple tips. So stick around for some good ones. This is a really quick video. I get to unbox something. Oh my God, I can't believe how exciting it is to unbox shit. I don't know, but there's a reason for it, right? This is something so simple that can make such a difference, right? So I'm just gonna try and I can't even find my tripod today. I'm having a bad run, so I'm just going to do this. Hopefully it's good enough. I wanted to talk to you about wireless headphones. The reason I want to talk to you about wireless headphones is because I've been testing some of these, and I tell you what, the difference that it makes not having to have your hand on the phone while you're trying to get work done. So if you're in an environment like I am, in a sales role where you are constantly using a computer, but also constantly talking to people, having your hands free is actually a really important thing to do. Now, if you have those stupid headphones that come with the phone, I've tried that as well. They're shit, right? Don't do that. But also, I've tried some of the cheaper versions as well of things, and they're just no good. Whereas this one here, I've tested some people's ones, and I finally bought my own because they are awesome, right? This is the Jabra Elite Active 65T. Now, there is also the Elite, just the Elite version, I think it is, which are a little bit cheaper. These are a bit more water resistant because I also use them for going to the gym and running and stuff like that as well. And I sweat like a bitch. So basically, these are just that little bit more protected when it comes to sweating. But honestly, the days when I forgot to have my wireless headphones, and they're the days when people call the most. I swear it is. It's the day people call the most, and they call all the time, and literally you just have to sit there with your phone dangling on your ear, or you have to use some headphones that aren't very good. But just being able to keep going with what you're doing, sometimes it's just a matter of listening to someone talk. Someone might just be venting to you, or you might be on a conference call or something like that, where it's not that important. You can still get things done, but you still want to be able to hear good, and you also want people to hear you just as importantly, I think, when they talk. It's the same as these YouTube videos. I'm using a little microphone here because if you don't use a good microphone and the sound quality is crap, it doesn't really matter too much about the video in a YouTube video, but if the sound's crap, people turn off pretty quickly. So I just wanted to show you that I got these from JB Hi-Fi here in Australia for, I think these were 160. Compare that to Apple earbuds, which are like 300. Oh no, sorry, hang on. Let me rephrase that. They're 260 compared to Apple earbuds, which are about 300 and something. And I think these are heaps better. They sound better. The call quality is better, and you can use them with Android or Apple, which is a big thing, right? Because often you can't. These are JB Hi-Fi, and I think 260, but I think the Elite version I was talking about is about 230, something like that. So it's only $30 more, but it depends what you want. But I love unboxing stuff. Look at this. Whee! Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to be getting into tech reviews and fully, but I will. It's just fun to unbox something, but I will review things when I think that it really does make a difference to your productivity, which I think these do. So the Jabra, this is what you get. Now the thing is, nowadays, these are important. So this is the little in-ear wireless, headset thing. No, what's it called? The charger. So you put the charging pod in here. You put the pods in here, and it actually charges. Now the beauty of this, and I use these all the time with the ones that I've got at the moment, is that you charge this, and this lasts a lot longer than what the actual earbuds do. So you put them in here to charge, and when you put them in here to charge, it actually charges them while you're on the go. So that's all you're actually carrying around, and you just plug that in and charge it up overnight, and until that runs out. These are the earbuds themselves. So as you can see, they're fairly small. Oh, hello, focus. They're fairly small compared to some of the other competitors on the market, like those big like dangly dildo things that hang from your ear with the Apple ones. These go in pretty well. Now, the reason that these also have pretty good microphone for talking on the phone is because of this little section here. Now, can you see that? It's like a little long section that sticks out. A lot of the earbuds just have the round circle, but having this longer section means that you've actually got a little microphone that sticks closer to your mouth, which is why these are really, really clear. And what happens is, there's the other one there. And all you do is you charge that first, and you just pop these straight in there, and just by magnet, it just clicks in and sticks in there. As you say, look, you got to take the little earbud out. I haven't done it properly yet, but in fact, it's probably in the wrong one. I don't even know. But anyway, they just connect in here, and then they charge. Yeah, so you can just take them wherever you like, and see that's already charging. So there was already enough charge in that for me to get started. I thought that was like a protective casing, but it's actually the earbud themselves, which is kind of weird. It doesn't sit in as well as they are the wrong way around. That's weird. Hey, that works better. You can see where the little connectors join. There we go. So then they sit in there magnetically. But then what happens is you just close the lid and then just let it charge. So now they're charging. But what else you get in here? I'm not sure. Little get started pack. This is obviously the charger to be able to charge the case, and you get some additional ear pieces as well, because some people have big ear holes or whatever. I don't think there's anything else. It's not the best packaged thing I've ever seen. The best packaged thing I've seen electronically is the Huawei products. Don't know if you've ever seen a Huawei phone or something like that. Awesome in terms of the packaging. But yeah, so guys, this is something that'll be really good for you. You don't necessarily need to get these. You can try other things, but I'm a big believer that if you don't get something good straight away, you're going to end up buying something else anyway. But this is the Jabra Elite Active 65T. I've tried a load of other ones. I've tried the AirPods. I've tried the Samsung Galaxy ones. I've tried the Audible ones. I've tried all different brands. Never get the little crappy like $20 ones, please. That just literally won't do anything. So. This also gives you, there's a couple of little things there that's pretty good as well. With these, so 5 hours battery, 15 hours charging with the case, 5 hours without the case. It voice activated, so you can use whether it's Siri or Android Assistant or whatever, Google Assistant. Now, the other thing that's pretty cool with this is this has this little thing where you can actually put, using the app on your phone, you can actually put in background sounds. So if you want to have waterfalls in the background or whatever, you can do that. But the other thing, this phone is just playing nightmare with my stuff today. It's just not a good recording day. But yeah, so you can have little background musics and things. But there's a cool feature in this that I haven't quite got used to yet, but I can see why it's good, is you can actually turn it on so you can't hear anything else around you. You can just be listening to music while you're running, but you could actually hear, say, a car horn, or you can have certain sounds that can actually pop through that you'd actually want to pop through for safety reasons, so if another phone's ringing or something like that. So it's pretty cool. But look, in terms of quality, these are awesome. And in terms of your productivity, it doesn't matter whether whatever you're doing, even if you're a stay-at-home mum, you've got stuff to do around the house, you want to listen to music, or you still want to talk to people on the phone, you've still got to make bookings or whatever you need to do, doctor's appointments. Whether you're a salesperson like I am, once again, absolutely crap focusing today. Whether you're a salesperson, we're going to ignore that because it's just a fun video. But whether you're a salesperson, whatever career you're in, if you can get something like this that you enjoy having in your ears, which means you can pop it in and continue to do what you want to keep doing, it's going to make a massive difference to your productivity. So have a go, guys. Have a bit of a play. See what you reckon, but I reckon that's the sort of thing you need to get if you want to take your productivity to the next level. So little tips like this, hopefully are going to help you get organized and in general, make your life easier. So thanks for watching, guys. Grab yourself some Jabra Elite Active 65T. By the way, I'm too new at these videos to get any endorsements or anything, so don't worry. It's purely just I'm showing you what I use, and I will do many videos on some of the things that work for me. So hope you enjoy it. Hope you get some use out of something like this. Let me know how you go in the comments section, and I will see you next time on SP Product. Told you, having an awesome day. I'll see you next time on SPP Productivity TV. See you later.